Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Pad, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off high performance mode. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access battery. Then scroll all the way down again, click on More Settings, and click on this gray switcher next to High Performance Mode. Lastly, hit OK in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, High Performance is on. If you wish to switch it off, tap on the same No Blue switcher next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!